Let's take a look at the call labeling function. First, we will see how to create and manage labels. From the History section, then, CDR, we will manage our labels. Using the drop-down we can view, manage and add a color to the tags. Now, let's create a new marketing label and add a color to it. In this case, we choose green. Finally, create a new label with the name Support and set it to yellow. With these labels, we will be able to identify and separate the calls from our sales and support departments. The agents can label the calls during the conversation with the call panel. We will receive a call and at the bottom, we can add the labels. We can add tags already created. In this case, we will add sales and new lead. Click on the Apply button to save the new changes. As we can see, they are already tagged directly in the call. Once we have hung up, from the user panel we will be able to see how the call has already been labeled. We can also modify the labels by selecting the call we want. In this case, we will remove the label New Lead. Receptionists have their own dedicated area. They can be accessed in the upper right area. From this area, receptionists can handle all calls. When we receive a call, they can scroll to the corresponding department. They can also tag the call directly without picking it up. From the Administrator panel, in the CDR area, you can manage all PBX calls. In this panel, administrators can select several calls at the same time and label them. Administrators can also filter calls by each level. In the same way, administrators can filter the calls by tags. In the upper area, they can export the selected data in a CSV file.